Unfortunate case where I've not classic example of parental alienation, my lord. It's been 4 years, my lord.
Oh, you're saying about some parental alienation and all. This is about maintenance.
My lord, maintenance, my lord. What happens? This is all interlinked, my lord. The respondent is directed to pay an amount of rupees 3 lakh to the petitioner per annum towards educational and extracurricular activities.
Five academic years. 15 lakhs is due. What is paid is 1.5 lakhs.
3 lakhs, my lord. They have not raised any objections in the trial. Special order gets passed saying go meet your child, make the payment of 1.5 lakh. I go to Bandra court, that is where the child lives. I go there, my lord. She calls me and she says deposit 11 lakh. I'm not going to show my child.
Where is it contended before the court below? You're making some submissions before the court.
We file an application for visitation of the birthday.
Yes.
From the date of visitation orders that has also been passed and it has been allowed, on the same day maintenance order has passed, that is 27/3/23. The same day, the court, Honorable Court, Trial Court says monthly once, every third Saturday, you're entitled for visitation in Bandra.
No, when an order is passed by the court and as per that order, if it is any order that relates back to the date of the petition, so from that time you have to pay. You have not paid, court had passed this order. What is wrong with it? No, with regard to all that visitation and all, don't mix up with
Respondent.
For the petitioner, my lord. My lord, this is an unfortunate case where I've not classic example of parental alienation, my lord. It's been 4 years, my lord. Have not.
Before, let us see what is this IA 1 or 24, 2 or 24. Who is the petitioner before this court?
The respondent, the wife, my lord.
Mother is before this
Mother
court.
is.
Sorry, husband is before the court.
In this court, husband is before.
That's what I want. Yes, please read.
My lord, orders on IA under section 155 of CPC filed by petitioner. My lord, the respondent files for an application for striking off of the defense. The defense is struck down on the basis of non-payment of maintenance.
Oh, you're saying about some parental alienation and all. This is about maintenance.
My lord, maintenance, my lord. What happens? This is all interlinked, my lord. I pay 3 lakhs, they say 9 lakhs arrears are there since the day of passing of an order for maintenance. Immediately, there's a special order for visitation also that comes up on 15/11/23. My lord, page number 39. There's a special order for his birthday. I was allowed to visit him. That time, the court orders to pay part of it. So I would have paid 80,000 and subsequently 1.5 lakh. A total of 3 lakh would be deposited by that when the order was passed. The order says here, page number 39, this is the order for maintenance, my lord. 41 is where the order states, IA number 1 filed by the petitioner under section 38 of Special Marriage Act is hereby allowed in part. The respondent is directed to pay an amount of rupees 3 lakh to the petitioner per annum towards educational and extracurricular activities of his minor son by name Arun. My lord, I make a payment of 3 lakh. Even in that special order that is there in 51, the court, page number 52, paragraph 5.
What was the order of the court? How much the court has asked you to pay?
3 lakh per annum.
When is this order passed?
2nd of March 2023. So the 27th of March 2023.
27th March 2023. When is the petition filed?
2020.
2020.
16
So
September
that
2020.
2020 per annum, it would be from 2020.
120.
2021,
September.
September.
Five academic years. 15 lakhs is due. What is paid is 1.5 lakhs.
3 lakhs, my lord. They have not raised any objections in the trial court and that has been recorded in the order as well, my lord.
Why is he not paying?
My lord, what happens here? The special order gets passed saying go meet your child, make the payment of 1.5 lakh. I go to Bandra court, that is where the child lives. I go there, my lord. She calls me and she says deposit 11 lakh. I'm not going to show my child. There's a police dairy report also that I filed. They make a submission. They state to the police saying that I've approached this court, high court, for the visitation. That is why I don't want to show the child. My lord, they've been going and taking this contention. My lord, annexure N, page number 114.
Please tell the court, where did you take all these contentions now you're submitting before the court in the IA? Or Where is it contended before the court below? You're making some submissions before the
See, my
court.
lord, we have
Where are they? Where are they recorded? Where are they advanced?
we have filed objections as well, my lord, for the strike off of defense. There we have made a mention about all the payments that has been made. That is 3 lakh. My lord, we have not even been given sufficient opportunity to make a payment. In the special order, the honorable judge,
What is the special order? I'm not able
for
to
the
understand.
birthday, we file an application for visitation of the birthday.
Yes.
From the date of visitation orders that has also been passed and it has been allowed, on the same day maintenance order has passed, that is 27/3/23. The same day, the court, honorable court, trial court says, monthly once, every third Saturday, you're entitled for visitation in Bandrack court.
You're
Even
mixing
that-
two different issues in this.
My lord, that is the reason they've, my lord, I make
She
a
is
payment.
not, if she has not, whatever that order passed by the court, whether she has not obeyed it, your remedy is somewhere else.
Indeed, my lord.
Yes, now we are here on a point, your defense was struck off, right? On so and so ground. Now, when an order is passed by the court and as per that order, if it is any order that relates back to the date of the petition. So from that time you have to pay. You have not paid, court had passed this order. What is wrong with it? Now, with regard to all that visitation and all, don't mix up in that. You come up with a separate petition, it would be considered in a separate petition. So what's wrong with this order? Please tell the court.
My lord, in the special order, the judge, the honorable judge, in paragraph number 5, page number 52, they make a mentioning that in this regard, both side counsels have relied upon the reported decisions as cited above. As per the decision of Honorable Supreme Court in Rajneesh versus Neha, an observation made therein, it is very much clear that the maintenance has to be awarded from the date of the order.
That's what I read it.
And-
I read it. I read the whole order. That's what I'm saying.
My lord, it was not clear even to the date.
There won't be any clarity. You don't require. All the
Indeed, my lord.
time, the order, please look at the order of granting maintenance. It would say it is from the date of petition.
Indeed, my
Ah.
lord. My lord, but sufficient opportunity was not given to me, my lord. The whole, within span of 7
Is the order passed asking you to pay maintenance?
27/3/23.
27/3?
23.
When is this order passed?
2nd of March 24.
So that 1 year time is not sufficient.
Sorry, 4th of March.
My lord, we've paid 3 lakhs, my lord. Remaining 9 lakhs.
Don't make the same submissions again. Why 3 lakhs? Why 3? Why should you pay 3 lakhs when you're supposed to pay 15 lakhs?
Lord, have not even been, they have been holding upon us for non-payment to visitation. They have been connecting those two matters, my lord. I don't even know if my child.
Unfortunately, if you say that they are not permitted to visit the child, that is a separate order. That is nothing to do with this impugned order. Now, this impugned order is passed on the ground that you have not paid the money, maintenance as granted by the court. That's a simple, why you have not paid is the only question. When are you going to pay is the next question.
We will pay, my lord. 6 to 8 weeks time may be given. I will deposit here only in the High Court only, my lord.
Why?
I'm willing to pay.
Why you want again 6 weeks? Now 1 year is over anyhow.
My lord, I have to arrange for the amount, my lord. I'm willing to pay, my lord.
What is your annual income?
28,80,000 rupees.
And you have to arrange for it. And you would have made by this time 3 lakhs, like that. You would have paid by this time.
My lord, I have no issues of paying, my lord. We ask for them in the trial court to submit all the necessary, the receipt of the school, whatever it is. I'm ready to reimburse, my lord.
Unfortunately, a court had passed an order. Order do not contain whatever you want to say. If you're not happy with that order, you should have questioned it. You didn't question it. No, you cannot ask all those things, but you have except to pay the money. Now you have to pay. When are you going to pay?